If you primarily play on your Steam Deck when it's not connected to a charger, it's important to consider the battery lifespan of your device. So, in order to increase the lifespan of your battery, press the Steam button on your controller on the home menu, and we're going to scroll down and go to Settings. Now, in Settings, scroll down to the Power option, and you want to scroll over and enable Battery Charging Limit. So, what this essentially does is it stops your device from charging to 100%, which is going to limit the stress on your battery, helping to extend its lifespan. Now, by default, the battery charging limit is going to be set to 80%, which is a good balance between usability while also considering battery preservation. However, you can try increasing this value. Just bear in mind, it's going to produce harder stress on your battery. So I'm going to leave it at 80%. And I also recommend you have a look at the dim display settings, as well as the sleep settings on your Steam Deck. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.